In my book, Baby Tea Time, Baby Juju's mom makes wheel cakes for Juju's tea party. Wheel cakes, or 车轮饼, are a traditional street snack from Taiwan that originated from Japan. To make the taro filling, I'm using these pre-fried taro used in hot pot to cut down cooking time. Add sugar, melted butter, and heavy cream and use an immersion blender to create a paste. And then pop it in the microwave for 1 minute and your taro filling is ready. For the custard filling, if you're lazy like me, you can use the easy store-bought cook and serve custard pie filling mix. Add 2 cups of milk, stir constantly and cook until it thickens. Then cool in the fridge. It will thicken more as it cools. For the batter, add cake flour, cornstarch, sweet rice flour, sugar, baking powder, milk powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix ingredients evenly and then add milk, eggs, and melted butter. And then mix the batter all together. I'll be making them with 2 different fillings, taro and custard, all with boba and salted egg yolk paste. Pour the batter into the cast iron wheel cake mold. Then I'm using the end of a wooden rolling pin to spread the batter and create a side wall all around, making an indented space for the filling. Add the fillings. I'm making one with taro and one with custard, and then use a metal or wooden pick to release the cake from the mold. Take one of the wheel cakes and plop it over the other with the filling. Close the mold and let it cook on both sides. Remove them from the cast iron pan and your wheel cakes are ready. Enjoy them while they're nice and warm.